I'm about to share a bizarre story with you that has produced results like this for me. $2,000 days, $10,000 weeks, and $100,000 a month in sales. Hi, my name is Sean Josiah. I'm a successful 7-figure internet entrepreneur and also a proud member of the ClickBank Platinum Circle, which means I have generated over $500,000 in revenue last year on ClickBank alone. I'm not showing you this to impress you, but to impress upon you the possibilities of the internet if you pick the right system. This presentation is not about the numbers, but about a secret algorithm I discovered along the way that has made billions for big corporations like Netflix, that was hidden from ordinary people like you and me. Want to discover a hidden inner circle of players who are cashing recession-proof checks, enjoying a sense of calm when everyone else is wrecked with worry? Then this might be the most important video you'll ever watch. Because there's an amazing loophole you're about to discover that's creating full-time stay-home mom and dads without any tech expertise and in any economy. Because it could be the means to get you out of the rat race forever, even achieving financial freedom while your peers are left drowning in debt and bills. Now, before I go on to share how you too can harness the sneaky Netflix algorithm that I discovered to create lucrative streams of perpetual cash for yourself, I want to take this time to personally invite you to secure your free spot as one of 50 exclusive few to gain access to the algorithm. You may have already realized that as more people get a hold of the algorithm, the smaller the market share is for you. This is why limiting the take-up to only 50 members would be a huge benefit for you as an exclusive member. So don't wait and act fast, I can assure you. The next person to watch this video is going to steal your account and keep all the profits to himself. So hurry, enter your details and claim your spot. This will also be the login details to your account after, so make sure to put in your best name and email address. I'll see you on the next page.
Hey there, I just wanted to stop by and give you a quick testimonial on my journey so far. After using the system, making money online, it just has never been so easy for me. All I had to do was follow these simple instructions and everything was set up nicely in less than 30 minutes. And I'm already on my way to making $18,000 this month. The best part is I get to travel around the world and work anywhere I want. It truly is a dream come true.
When I first heard of this system, I was very skeptical. I mean, I had been investing a lot of money into different online courses, and none of them have ever worked for me. I really wanted to give up. But when I discovered this system, I decided to give it a try. And guess what? Within a week, I was already making more than $7,000. This is unbelievable. I can finally start paying off my debts. I just wanted to give a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Hi there, just wanted to share my experience with the system so far. A brief background of myself. As single mom, it was difficult for me to make ends meet to support my 2 children growing up. I've been struggling financially for the past 10 years, but this system really changed my life. When I first got started, I didn't have any experiences, but the instructions were so simple and detailed. I actually made $300 within the first day. And in the next 3 months, I made a total of $31,820. Now I'm able to quit my job and spend time with my children.